beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back. This video you are about to watch is a narrative of what happened to this our sister. She's here to tell the story by herself. Before then, you will watch the video of what happened to her, why she's like this, and what happened next. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
The thing start to the time where the commander of the brigade where we dey, army barracks, they host competition. So they can't choose me as person wey go do usher for invited guests where they go come. So when we can't go there, as I reach for there, I can't see one of my officer friend wey me and them dey play Ayo game. So as I dey greet am na the Lieutenant Chika Biola Andele come shout for me say I no fit touch officer wey wear army uniform. So as he tell me that thing, I can't shift back, can't go for my duty post stand. After nine, another officer come talk say make me a shake am. I come tell am say then say make we no shake officer wey wear army uniform. So I can't stand there. She can't tell me say, madam, make I no dey silly. Say I feel only touch, I feel only shake, but make I no touch. So I can't go back to my duty post. So as e come reach time where we go share small chops, the Chika Anele na im dey in charge of the small chops wey we go share. So we come group the thing now. I come carry and dey share. As we come share finish for officers and invited guests, so one major wey throw away him own for ground, he no throw one for ground. He come call me say make I come. As I come go there, he come tell me say make I change am for am. But I tell am say the thing don finish. Say that one wey dey see there na for the umpires, as in the referees wey dem dey judge the competition. So the man come dey insist say make I change am. Now I come go meet Lieutenant Chika Anele, say see wetin dey happen o. This man say make I change am for am. She come start to dey insult me, say shey I no get sense. On the 28th day of July, dem bin send message for WhatsApp. Me, I no see the message. So dem say meeting dey, say she come meeting, say make we come, all the corpers come. So when I come go there, she come bring me out. Come talk say na because of me she call the meeting. So she come say make me I go wear my NYSC uniform wey we dey call 6/7. As I come reach for my room, I come find out say my period don start. So I need to clean up so that I go fit dress well. So as I come dey baff, she come send somebody make she come check wetin I dey do. The person come go tell am say I dey baff. So she come. By then I don already dey for my room dey wear my clothes. She come talk say, so she tell me say make I go wear my uniform. I come go dey use am baff. I bin wan explain to am say see wetin dey happen, but she no wan hear. Now she come call all the corpers, come tell some make dem go fetch water for buckets. So when I dress finish, she come carry me go backyard, back of the place where we dey stay for the barracks. because we corpers we get lodge for there. She come say make me I do press up. I tell am say I no go fit do am. She say make I do frog jump from here to there. I tell am say I no go fit do am. She come talk say make me I lie down dey roll for ground with my NYSC uniform. I tell am say I no go fit do am. So she come say make I dey do frog jump where I stand. I come dey do. As I dey do the frog jump, she come dey see say the thing dey pain me for body. She come say make I kneel down. I come kneel down. She come say make dem the corper carry stone come block. She come say make I carry am on top of my head like this as I lie down. So as I come carry am now, she come dey tell me say until she see water for my eye, na she go leave me. Meanwhile, as I don tire to carry the thing, I come throw away the stone. I come tell am say I no fit carry this stone again, say I no thief, I no kill person wey she go say make I carry stone above my head. So now she come say my English no be correct English. Now she come start come say make dem bring sand for am. As dem come bring sand for am, she come mix am for the water. As she come mix am for the water, she come dey pour am for my body. She come dey curse me, dey pour me the water, dey use the thing. If she pour am, she go use the thing make sure say she use am hit me. Because she don already tell me say if I no cry, she no go leave me. So na that thing make my mind strong, because I no wan cry make she see say I dey cry for her. So na the thing make me come stay. I come stay, she come dey pour me the water. So as she dey pour me the sand and water for body, my body don dey bite me because na dirty water she dey pour for my body. So I don pull my jacket, e come remain my white. So as my body dey itch me, na I come say make I comot my bra because the thing dey bite me for body. So as I come pull my bra, na she come start to dey curse me say see the cheap bra wey I dey wear, say for how many months I don wash am, say 3 months, 2 months or a month, say me I be blinking shit. Na when the matter don hot, when my picture don dey be headline everywhere, so fear come dey catch NYSC dem, because for Calabar na dem be our mama and papa, because na dem put us for there. When the matter don too much for social media, dem come talk say make me I dey go house for my own safety, so that anything no go happen to me.
What a country. This is the only one that we see. A lot that even worse than this happened. But being that they are not on social media, nobody film it and we don't even know. The maltreatment is real. A lot, even more than this happened, but they overlook it. So just because this one is out now on social media, they will say the officer has been sanctioned. A lot, too many. How many are we going to count? So this is the country they call Nigeria, and this is what is going on. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much for supporting us. I really do appreciate. So this is the first time you're coming across this channel. This is Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Please like and share to your friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't, and join the big family. Thank you very much once again for always being here. I do appreciate. See you when I see you. For now, bye.